Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So first and foremost, ignore my voice. I just woke up, and I'm a little sick still, so yeah, that's the voice. I actually wanted to film me getting ready. I'm getting ready because I have an appointment at 1. So yeah, let's just do a little get ready with me, and I'm doing a little sneak peek of the Conspiracy palette. So yeah, let's jump right in. First and foremost, I have a new, it's not even chapstick, it's called lip oil. It is the Verse Silk Slip Conditioning Lip Oil. It's kind of different, kind of new, kind of fresh. I don't know, I kind of like it. It's interesting. And the Morphe Setting Mist. So I'm getting ready for a tour at 1. I am looking for schools for esthetician school. I graduate in June, so I've been lazy, so I need to really get a head start on just everything. That's what I'm getting ready for. I'm going in with my TATCHA. I can't get the cap back on. There we go. I'm going in with the TATCHA Silk Canvas. And then for my eyes, I go into the Morphe Eyelid Primer. So I didn't really plan on doing my makeup, and then yesterday I was like, oh my god, I'm going to see an esthetician school. I want them to know that I know what I'm doing. So I'm like, okay, I have to do my makeup. But I'm definitely not dressing to impress at the moment. I'm in leggings and a crop top, and I'm gonna wear a cardigan, but it's cold out. So I'll be wearing a coat most of the time. So I just didn't want to dress up. And I'm also really lazy, so. Anastasia Beverly Hills is the foundation I'll be using, and I'm in the shade 335W. And I'm using the JACLYN Hill brushes, so I'm going in with the 03 brush. So I haven't really had a whole lot of time to film lately, which just sucks. I got the Conspiracy palette, and I was so excited to use it, but I've been having a bunch of exams the last couple of weeks, so I've really been focusing my time on studying and just getting all my homework done. So I apologize for no videos next or last week, but I figured I'm getting ready, I'm doing my makeup anyway, so why not film with you guys? And I'm not sure when I'm going to post this video. I haven't decided if I'm going to try and film my true thoughts on the Conspiracy palette before, or post it, before this one, since I haven't filmed it yet. So we'll see. That's why I'm a sneak peek. I'm hoping this week I have time to film my true thoughts on this palette before this week ends. Otherwise you're getting this video. Sorry guys. If I look like I'm in a rush, it's because I am. This is how I get ready. This is how I truly get ready. I'm I beat my face. I am in such a hurry. I have a cold still, and it sucks. I can't get rid of it. I just, at this point, it's a lost cause. I literally went through an entire package of cold and sinus, and that just, it didn't do anything. So I'm what's the point? Okay, I'm going into the Urban Decay Stay Naked concealer, and I'm in the shade 50 NP. I'm kind of nervous. I don't know why. I just I've obviously only toured schools for, I don't want to say academic purposes because this is still academic, but this is something I'm actually interested in, makeup and facials and stuff like that. So it's just crazy to me that I'm gonna be touring a school that has all that. I was going through the process of picking which schools I wanted to tour, and there was a lot in the cities. I only have like a couple options up here in Fargo. One of them I just personally don't want to go to for personal reasons. But this one, like, is probably the best in this area. And it's only 4 months long, which is awesome. A lot of the ones I looked at were 12 months long, and I just don't have time for that. Like, sorry about it. I'm gonna set my face with the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder with my 07 brush. But yeah. I'm gonna bronze up my face with the Butter Bronzer, and I'm in the shade Deep Bronze. I'm gonna go in with my 02 brush. I sound like I'm like dying. I sound like I'm a smoker. That's what I really sound like. And then with my 04 brush, I'm gonna bronze up the face. This is how I get ready. Like, I get in a zone and I just like stare at my face. So I haven't been talking like this whole video. I'm trying to think if it's new. Nothing. I've been studying hardcore, which sucks. So sick of studying. For blush, I'm going with the NARS Deep Throat, and I just use that same brush. I'm going to kind of carve out my nose with my 40 brush and just go right down the sides. You know what I'm going to do for highlighter? It's the MAC Mineralize SkinFinish in the shade Soft and Gentle, and I'm going to go in with my 32 brush and highlight the heck out of my face. This is not the brush I usually use, but oh well. And then I do go on my nose with my 42 brush. It's just a really tiny, almost concealer brush. And then I go right on the tip of my nose. Okay, I'm gonna quickly just spray my face, that way I don't get too dry. So when I realized I should film this, I was gonna film this today, but I don't really have time. So, and I don't have another palette, but I'm gonna use it anyway, but I'll show you guys what it looks like. It's super freaking awesome. I'm glad that there's shades in here that I can do like a normal look still. But yeah, get really crazy with it, which is honestly what I'm gonna mostly use it for, to get crazy. But today I don't have time. I really want to just like indulge, but I have to hurry. So I've already dove into it. I use the same shades I'm gonna use today, but wish I had more time, because I would go all out, and you guys all know it. So to get started with, I'm going to go in with my 33 brush, and it's the TATCHA shade, which is a light brown. It is this shade here. I'm excited just to say all these names on camera. So after using these shades so far, I'm going to say they blend out amazing, like so amazing. But there's a lot of fallout. I'm going to say that right now. So look at this. I don't know if it popped up on camera, but there's just more than I'm used to. But the pigment and how easily they blend, I'm 100% okay with there being fallout. Because I've never had an eyeshadow that blended out this well. So I ain't mad about it. Comment down below if you watched Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson's series through them making this palette, because it was probably the best thing I've ever watched on YouTube. One, I'm interested in makeup, so I loved it, but it was so cool to see everything that like went into making a palette, especially all the money aspect. Like, it's just crazy. So I definitely loved that series, and that's kind of what made me fall in love with it. But okay, I'm gonna go in with Diet Root Beer, which is right here, and the mirror on it's like amazing. I should use the mirror. Woo. It's hard to like get a palette with a mirror that actually like works. A lot of them are similar to like a clown mirror. They just like, they don't work, which is sad. So I'm just like really building up this color since there's now not like a darker brown after this Diet Root Beer. But I am gonna go into some black, so I don't need to go like too heavy. Girl, I see a hair that I need to pluck really bad. Next, I want to bring this Diet Root Beer down into my lower lash line, so I'm going to use the 39 brush, which is a precision brush. This is a very heavy palette, which I love. It's like so heavy duty, and like I know that it's... I sound like a smoker. I can't get over it. I just know that the quality's there. I don't know, because I'm just in love. By the way, after hearing what like a Kylie Jenner, like what it costs to make it, to make those little 4-palette Kylie Jenner eyeshadow palettes, $3. To make something like this is probably like 40s, 30s, just to make it. And that's why it retails for so much. Like, once you kind of learn like why stuff retails the way it does and why it's cheap, honey, it's cheap for a reason. Like, nothing compares to eyeshadow that blends out and has the pigment that you want. Okay, so I do want to bring some black into this, which is my rides here, which is right here. It's supposed to be my Ubers here, but for like right purposes, he couldn't get it. But I'm just gonna put this right next to my lash line. On the outer edge. And then, even though this already just blended amazing with what I just did, I'm gonna go in with my 30 brush, which is like a big fluff brush, and just kind of blend out the edges of that. Just like that. I mean, that went so quick. This is why I love this palette. Like, you can get crazy with it, but you can also be very monotone and like neutral. But that's so fun. I'm excited to show you guys like a bunch of different colors that you can do with this one, because I know you can just get like crazy. Oh, look at that. You guys, I'm in love. Okay, for my waterline, I want to go in with the shade, or with the brush 41, and I go in with Ranch. I did this the other day. It's right there. It's like blinding, you guys. Like literally, when I say very lightly put your brush in, I'm talking that much, because it's just that crazy. Like, just like that. I mean, you can barely see it. I'll do a little more, but like when I first put it on, I was expecting I really needed to cake it on, but honey, no. Like, she's there, and that's without wetting the brush. Like, that looks so good. So shout out to Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson, because this palette is bomb. I'm gonna quickly put some more like of this lip oil on my lips. Lip oil is like I can't talk. Lip oil is a crazy concept to me. I didn't even know this was a thing. Okay, I'm gonna quickly do my eyebrows. You guys already know the drill. Okay, so now that my eyebrows are on, I'm going to quickly set my face with the Urban Decay De-Slick Makeup Setting Spray, Oil Control. And I can't decide if I want to do lashes today. Like, I want to look natural but bomb. I think maybe to keep it kind of simple, I might just do mascara. Just because I do want to like look like I know how to do my makeup, but I'm also not trying too hard outfit-wise, so you just gotta like be cautious of what you're wearing too. Okay, so let's do mascara. I'm going in with the Benefit They're Real. I can't get over how good this eye look looks. I just think it's amazing when colors blend that easy. Okay, I'm going in with the Urban Decay Barfly Cream Lipstick. And then I'm just gonna like lightly tap this on my lips. Because since I have the oil on my lips, it kind of just like sticks right to it. Okay, so this is the finished look. Let me do a close-up. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this little get ready with me. I know it was kind of quick and fast paced, but I gotta go. I'm excited to show you more makeup looks that you guys can do with the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson makeup palette, so stay tuned for more videos like this, and I will see you in the next one.